Hello and welcome. My name is Francis. Today we are going to learn how to make neem pesticide or neem insecticide. If you are new on this channel, I will encourage you to subscribe and then hit the notification to get updates anytime we upload a new video. If you have subscribed already, we thank you so much. When you are making your neem pesticide or insecticide, these are the ingredients you will need. Neem seed, citric acid, preservative. I'll leave the measurement of the ingredients in the description box. When you are making your pesticide or insecticide, you first have to get a handful of neem seeds and then citric acid and then preservative. You pound your neem seed and then mix it with water, add your citric acid and preservative to it, and then allow it to soak for about 24 hours, and then you drain it. You are done with your neem pesticide or neem insecticide. Let's get started. So we are going to pound the seed in a mortar, and then add the water to it and soak it for the 24 hours. Add our other ingredients to it. So after blending in a blending machine, this is it now. So we are going to add water to it, about 500 ml of water to it, and then add the rest of the ingredients and soak it for 24 hours, and then we drain it. Okay.
If you are in Ghana and you went for a training and the training has this video or any of my videos on a pen drive given to you, I don't work with them. So if you do and get any problem, please call them. If you want me to train you, call the number up on your screen. If you need ingredients for this product, call the number below the screen. Thank you.
So we are going to leave it for about 24 hours, like I said earlier. So after 24 hours, this is it now. It has not been able to settle completely, but we are going to sieve the chaff out of it. And one thing you can do with the chaff is you can use it as a manure for your farm. If you are preparing large quantity, you can use the chaff as manure for your farm.
Do you like this video? If you like the video, I will encourage you to join my WhatsApp group. Pay only 100 cedis and you will be added to it. To learn more about the product, registration, branding and marketing of the product, I will leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. Follow the link to join the WhatsApp group. If you are in Ghana and you went for a training and the training has this video or any of my videos on a pen drive given to you, I don't work with them. So if you do and get any problem, please call them. If you want me to train you, call the number up on the screen. If you need ingredients for this product, call the number below the screen. Thank you.
So this is our pesticide now. So like I said, you can use the chaff, this one. You can use this as a manure for your farm. If you blend it very well, you can use this one as a manure for your farm. If you are doing it on a large scale, doing the pesticide on a large scale, you can use this one as a manure. And with the pesticide, you can actually add the leaves or the bark of the tree, of the neem tree, and then you blend everything together, or you pound everything together, then you sieve out the juice, and then you have your pesticide or insecticide. Okay, so this is our neem pesticide. Thank you for watching. This is how we make this insecticide or pesticide. Like I said, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and then hit the notification to get updates anytime we upload a new video. Also, kindly give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share the video, and also leave your comments in the comment section. We thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again.